Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to bioscan the surge jelly in Subnautica 2. Bioscanning the surge jelly, together with the hammerhead, unlocks the Homing Sense passive biomod, which lets you detect nearby powered bases. Before heading out, make sure you've upgraded your scanner into a bioscanner, since it's required to unlock the biomod's full effect. Starting from your life pod, swim southeast on your compass. Once you reach this area with the tall rock pillars, you'll begin spotting surge jellies floating nearby. Pull out your bioscanner and scan one from a safe distance to avoid getting electrocuted by its electrical discharge. After completing the scan, return to your base and interact with your biolab to check your bioscan progress or equip your newly unlocked Homing Sense biomod. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.